guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. We are on an emergency trip to Walmart right now because I just saw that there's a new concealer by Covergirl and it looks a lot like ShapeTape. I just saw another YouTuber review it, just Chab. But anyway, I'm like, bitch, I need to go out and get this right now because if there's a drugstore ShapeTape out there, I need it. I need it. I want it and I need it. So, right here?
Yes.
So we're on our way to Walmart right now. I'm gonna grab it, gonna review it, gonna wear test it. I hope it's good. By the way, this is like clothes that I'm gonna donate. It's not trash. I don't keep trash in my car. Anyway, side note, I looked on Walmart.com and supposedly they have my shade in stock. Only 3 left though, so hurry, Gare! Yes, OMG. Look, they actually have a shitload, so probably didn't need to rush over here, but I think I'm gonna get the lightest. And it's only $7.94. It said it was $10.99 on the Alright, mission accomplished. Gare hates Walmart, so we have to leave ASAP. I did. Nothing fell over though, so we're good. We're at home, but we're stuck in the car because Gare wants to finish listening to this song. Alright guys, we had a little bit of an outfit change. I washed my face, did my nails, and we're ready to review this motherfucking concealer. I selected the shade Fair Porcelain L100. You guys saw it was $7.49, I believe. 10 milliliters. It is in the same exact, almost same exact component as ShapeTape. This one actually feels a little heavier, maybe because it's full. The ShapeTape is pretty much empty. So let's see, I want to make sure I'm nice and moisturized. My favorite thing to put on before makeup is this. This is the Pure 4-in-1 Cloud Cream. A+ for packaging. It smells amazing. Also, it's like a clear, weightless, cool, liquidy gel that you just rub all over your face. It's got like the smoothing power. Like it just feels like it's making my face silky smooth and soft, and also feels like it's just soaking in really well and just being very hydrating. Some moisturizers can mess up my makeup application if I put it on right before, like stuff with oils, and this look at my mustache. This stuff doesn't. This stuff makes my makeup look bomb. So get a little lip balm so my lips don't look crusty. This is the Fresh Sugar Lemon Hydrating Lip Balm. I'm obsessed with it. It smells like an amazing lemon cookie with like lemon icing. It's so beautiful and it makes my lips feel so taken care of. Milk Hydro Grip Primer. For foundation, I'm going to use my holy grail, which is CYO Life Proof in shade 101. Alright, here goes nothing, y'all. So it's got the nice big doe foot applicator, just like ShapeTape. No noticeable smell. I'm gonna pop it on my under eye right now. Let's just start out with that amount. I like using a microfiber sponge for concealer these days. Ooh, my jaw just cracked. It looks really nice. It's nice and brightening. It blends beautifully. It's very easy to work with. It doesn't feel like it's drying down too fast. Don't know what shape that is, but we'll roll with it. I've been noticing a little bit of darkness happening right there, so I'm going to pop some right there. It's also going to be a great test to see if it creases because I have smile lines right there. And a lot of concealers crease right there for me, so we'll see. Alright, let's go ahead and set this shit. This is No Color Powder by RCMA. This is what I use most of the time. Creasing a teensy bit in my under eyes. I'm going to take a little bit of powder and set that. After a light dusting of powder, it feels pretty good. The under eyes are getting a little crunchy though. Let's see how it wears. I'm going to finish up my face. I have some other new things that I want to try. If you guys want to just skip forward a little bit, I'll put the timestamp down below. If you want to stay and hang out while I try out a few new things, then let's keep going. So Pure sent over this cute package here. It is the Contour Diaries Volume 1. Pretty cute little PR package. So here's the palette. Looks pretty nice. There's some swatches for you. I did the top row, but they blend into my skin. So the contour row is probably going to be a little bit more helpful. So let's dip into Secret. Nice and pigmented. Alright, I had to just put some more powder on that concealer. It needs it, or else I feel like it was like kind of separating and just like about to like kind of settle into my cracks and disappear. So that's interesting. Let's contour the nose a little bit. So it's kind of like a bronzery contour. It's pretty warm. It's very pigmented, also very powdery, but it's nice. It comes with a, you know, some other shades in there, and then you've got the lighter shades Cream. Or Charm, not Cream, is actually kind of nice because I could dust that along my hairline where it kind of looks like I put too much. Alright, for brows, let's try out the Benefit Ka-Brow. This is a little mini sample-sized one. How cute is that? I have the shade 3.5, so it's probably gonna be, it looks like it's a little light, but I still want to try out the formula. This is like really interesting. I mean, hey, if it gets the job done. Ooh, it's really pigmented. Very creamy. This brush though, the brush is a little small. That color is actually really nice. I am going to use a regular brush for my other brow just because I don't love that brush. Oh, see, is this gonna fit? Yeah, it fits, okay. I like to finish off my brows with a little mascara, and I have the Milk Makeup Kush mascara, so ooh, this is making them bushy. While we're up here, let's do eyeshadow. I have got the Naked Heat palette by Urban Decay. I've had this for a while. I've never tried it. So 12 can't live without amber hued neutrals, including warm browns, burnt oranges, and rich siennas. Perfect because it's 1,000 degrees right now. Beautiful packaging as always. Stunning colors. I haven't looked at warm browns in a while, and I haven't used them in a while, haven't thought about them in a while, so I'm actually really excited. I'm gonna be careful, probably not gonna do anything too crazy because I don't want to get any fallout on my concealer. So I'm just gonna throw together a pretty simple look here, nothing too crazy. Popping the shade Chaser in my crease. Ooh, the shade He Devil is calling to me. Just remembered I have this new collection of white marble makeup brushes that are available in Cadabra, and I was going to use them because they match my nails, and wow, I forgot. Blending out He Devil with Sauced. And then I'm just going to pat Ashes out here on the outer corner. Alright, and just for the tiniest little bit of shimmer, setting spray, Scorched. Pop it in the inner corner. Ooh. Ooh, wait. I have an even better idea. I got this stuff recently. This is Marin mixing liquid. I added the little squeezy top. I got this off Amazon. Just dabbing a little bit on my brush, and then I'm gonna add a tiny drop of the mixing medium. You could probably like mix it around on a palette. Wow, look at that. Way better than setting spray, honey. Alright, I got carried away. I put it everywhere. That's a really cool trick, though. I'm gonna pop He Devil on my lower lash line. Blend that out with a little Sauced. I'm gonna put some black in my waterline. I'm just gonna use gel liner because I'm sick of all of my pencils. blend that out with ashes. That sounds pretty metal. Brush away any fallout. Oh, jeez. Hi.
Hi, how you doing?
Good.
I see the signature for this.
Oh, okay. High-key annoyed that Gary got a package and I didn't. 2 packages today. I got zilch. Where's all the shit that I ordered, huh? Let's try out the KOLOURPOP mascara on the lashes. I have tried this stuff ages ago. You know what? I want to use the KOLOURPOP mascara, but it's not waterproof, and I'm doing a concealer review, and I swear to God, if the mascara drips down my face and gets on the concealer, I'm gonna punch somebody. So I'm gonna do a waterproof one. This is Monsieur Big by Lancome. Such a beautiful mascara. Look at that. Look at my lower lashes, bitch. So these are lashes number 10 at cadavercult.com. They're so stunning, you guys. Normally I don't wear a lash like this, but just wait until I put them on. It's insane. Boom. I mean, look at that. Look at the difference. Come on. I mean, you can't tell me that these aren't the most beautiful lashes you've ever seen. I want to do my upper waterline as well. I've never done it with a gel liner, but I'm gonna try it. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be a new experience. All right, time to highlight. I want to try this guy out. This is from 𝐅𝐻𝐿, and it is their face illuminator in the shade Indiscretion. Look how pretty that is. 𝐅𝐻𝐿 has really nice packaging. Let's see. I hope it's not too dark for me. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's a beautiful, natural looking highlight. I do think that it's adding a slight dark cast to my face, which is unfortunate. It's just a little too dark for me. Darn. Gonna have to give that away. Let's add a little bit of this one by Makeup Revolution. Alright, blush time. Do this one. Oh yes, that is so perfect. Yeah, this little peachy orange blush from Wet n Wild is where it's at. Alright, let's do lips next. I have this color, Saint by Lime Crime. It is a velveteen, which is a liquid matte. It's a really pretty color, but I want to add a little bit of oranginess. So I'm going to grab this Atomic Makeup shade. Unfortunately, don't know the shade name because the sticker fell off. So it's been about an hour, hour and a half. I think the concealer looks really good. It doesn't feel dry or tight or anything. I'm going to do some setting spray really quick. So I'll check back in a little bit after a few more hours of wear, and then we'll see how everything looks. See you then. This is what it looks like in natural light, just in case y'all were wondering. Hey guys, so it's been about 7 hours since initial application, and I'm getting a little transfer here for my mascara, which is unfortunate, but at the 7-hour mark, I think everything looks pretty great. I do put it like right there on the side of my nose, and I was wearing some glasses earlier and it did leave a mark, but I was able to with a brush and kind of like blend it around, and it worked like a little bit better than ShapeTape. It's more forgiving than ShapeTape, so I'm really liking the fact that it's not too dry. Dirty towel in the background. Sweetie, what do you think of my concealer? What do you think? It's been 8 hours.
Tastes good. Scratch that.
Tell me if you like my concealer.
You look beautiful. Is that the answer you're looking for?
Alright guys, so it's the end of the night. I have been wearing the concealer for 10 hours. It's 2 in the morning. Let's take a look here. It got a little dry and started to separate, like kind of break up right there. See that? The little dots where you can kind of see my skin texture. It's a little caked up right there. Where, see that wrinkle? Got cakey right there. A little cakey on the sides of my nose. Overall, I'm enjoying this concealer. I think this is a great drugstore concealer. This is a great $10 concealer. If there's a shade that matches you, you should give it a shot. Get it from somewhere where you can return it if you don't like it. A lot of drugstores let you do that. I think it pairs really well with the CYO Life Proof foundation. Gonna keep trying it with other foundations. But yeah, hopefully you found this review helpful. Let me know down in the comments. Have you tried it? Would you try it? Do you like it? What do you think? Any other suggestions, requests that you guys want me to try? Leave them in the comments. I love hearing from you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.